As Australians get back on the road again, Volkswagen is bringing back the Kombi camper to help us relive those bygone days. But why wait when you can rent a classic VW campervan from the 70s like Berti here and get back to the future now? But what's all this VW camper Kombi stuff all about anyway? Let's get a bit closer and find out. If you're over 21, this cute and charming original Kombi camper can be yours for a weekend or more for a nightly cost of a good motel. Based in Queensland's Tamborine Mountains, Berti is one of two fully restored Kombi campers available for rental from the same owner, so we thought we'd cosy up together to see if it's worth upgrading to a new one. This charming Kombi camper was built in 1976 and is largely original, from its sliding door to its pop-top roof. The interior has had a complete refurb and is fully set up for compact camping, including a kitchen, heaps of cupboard space, a water tank, small fridge, a TV and a solar panel to keep them all running off the grid. There's even an inside or outside table with two extra folding chairs to kick back on. And when it's time to sleep, you flip down the seats and the rock and roll double bed that comes with bedding comfortably sleeps two people. About the only things missing are a shower and toilet, but otherwise you're free to travel wherever you choose. When you're travelling by VW Kombi, it's best not to be in a hurry, so just relax, kick back, smell the roses, and it's also best if you don't mind a little bit of engine noise. This Kombi is really easy to drive. It has a 2-litre rear-mounted engine with an automatic transmission and is about the same width and length as an ordinary family car. But fitted with handy features like large rear vision mirrors, satellite navigation, a reversing mirror and a safety camera, it's relatively easy to get around in. Of course, the Kombi experience is all about being seen, as well as capturing some of the swinging 70s vibe. So be prepared to get attention wherever you go. When it goes on sale, the new Volkswagen Kombi camper will cost around 80 grand. But a classic 76 model like this will probably set you back about 40, maybe less. Half the money, twice the fun.